Donna J. Jodhan presents Dining with Donna, a weekly podcast where Donna shares a delicious recipe with you, gives you a bonus recipe, and ends off her podcast with time-saving tips for your kitchen. Her recipes are easy to follow, easy to put together, and most yummy and delicious for family and friends. Donna's recipes are favorites for everyone. They are tried and approved, and she guarantees you'll be able to make them your favorite. It's time to cook and bake, and Donna is waiting to show you how.
Hello, 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 and greetings from me, Donna J. Jodhan, your host for the Dining with Donna podcast, second week of September 2024. Hope everybody's enjoying September thus far. Busy putting away your summer articles, or your summer things, I should say. Getting ready to close up your backyard pool, or bring the chairs in from the deck, things like that, and getting ready for the fall. So let's stay positive, and let's give a big shout out to all of you for continuing to stop by, to listen to my podcasts, and to provide me with thoughts, suggestions, comments, and feedback. And a big shout out to my little brother in Montreal, Michael. Mike is my little brother, my so-called little brother, and I'm his big sister. We get along just fine. We have interesting discussions, not just about food, but about technology, because Mike is a very interesting and exciting technology specialist. And Mike works for the Apple Store in Montreal, believe it or not. Yes, indeed, Mike is a very talented brother. So hello, Mike, and I hope you're doing well. And hello, Heather, your wonderful wife. Hope you two are doing just fine. So let's get down to business for the second week of September 2024. Just remember what I keep telling you. The kitchen is one of the most popular corners of your home. And why? Because it's where you can get together to commiserate, chat, plan, plot, socialize, recharge, regurgitate, everything like that, with your friends or your family, or even on your own, to relax and cook and bake at your pleasure and leisure. Isn't that sounding great? You can create your own recipes from scratch, or follow someone else's recipes, or change someone else's recipes. Don't be afraid now. And if you want to share a recipe with me, please send your recipe to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com, or Dining with Donna. Sorry, not Dining with Donna. I keep making this silly mistake. Or Donna Jodhan @gmail.com. Okay? Again, ask Donna on blindlife@gmail.com, or Donna Jodhan @gmail.com. Check out my Etsy announcement. Go to YouTube and check it out. Go to www.etsy.com/shop/blindlybrilliant. Etsy, it's spelled ETSE. Okay? And I want to really encourage you to use pottery to create, to think outside the box, motivate yourselves. You'd be amazed to know how pottery can help you to stay in a great mood, to help you really get ticking and get going on creating. Yes, visit me at www.etsy.com/shop/blindlybrilliant. And a great thank you to my dear friend and associate Sean Kelly. We work together at the Studio on the Hill Pottery Studio in Toronto. And I have been doing pottery since 2015. But I think Sean and I came together probably a year and a half ago. I don't quite remember. So much has taken place. But do check out my announcement. All right. Last week we covered the following. Okay. The main recipe was country chicken soup. The bonus salad was Chinese cabbage salad. Sorry about that. And the tips were best of hints for floors, a quick shine between waxes, and removing tar spots. That's what we covered for last week. For this week, we are going to cover the following. Easy chicken, spinach, and wild rice soup. That is the main recipe. Easy chicken, spinach, and wild rice soup. Cauliflower broccoli salad is the bonus recipe. And for the hints and tips, again, for the floors, to remove heel marks and grease spills. This is what I'm covering for this week. So, let's get going, folks. Okay. Easy chicken, spinach, and wild rice soup. And as I keep saying, like a broken record every week, get your implements together before you do anything and get your ingredients together before you start. This saves on time, it saves on stress, and you're well organized and ready to go. All right, here come the implements. And I also say to you, if you want an electronic copy of this recipe, easy chicken, spinach, and wild rice soup, just put it in the subject line and send your request to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com or donnajodhan@gmail.com. All right, here come the implements. 1 can opener. It could be manual, electric, or battery operated. Measuring cups, 1 food chopper, measuring spoons, 1 saucepan, a spoon for stirring, and paper towels. Don't forget them paper towels. You need paper towels as a backup for if you need to wipe your hands or clean up unexpected spills or wipe the covers or corks of jars and bottles, or wipe the bottle itself or the jar itself if you happen to, have your dirty little fingers around these. I shouldn't say dirty little fingers, but your working fingers around these. Okay, here come the ingredients. 1 can, 14 ounces of reduced chicken sodium broth. Again, if you cannot find a complete 14-ounce can, just make sure you have 14 ounces of your reduced sodium chicken broth. 1 3/4 cups of chopped carrots. Okay, 1 3/4 cups. Let me just correct this. 1 3/4 cup of chopped carrots. 2 cans, 10 3/4 ounces of reduced sodium cream of chicken soup. Again, you need 2 10 3/4 ounces. If you cannot find 2 10 3/4 ounces exactly, then make sure you have 21.5 ounces of reduced sodium cream of chicken soup. 2 cups of cooked wild rice. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon of dried sage. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of coarsely chopped baby spinach. Okay, 2 cups of coarsely chopped baby spinach. Okay, 1.5 cups of cooked chicken. Just to go back, I love spinach. I really, really do. Okay, so 1.5 cups of cooked chicken. All right. It has to be chopped and cooked. 1.5 cups of chopped cooked chicken. 1/2 cup of milk. And now we're ready to make. Bring your broth, put it in a saucepan, bring your broth in your saucepan. Let's start again. Bring broth to a boil in a large saucepan, okay? And do this over medium to high heat. So bring your broth to a boil in your large saucepan over medium to high heat. This is a tongue twister, eh? Add your carrots. Cook for 10 minutes. And add your soup, rice, thyme, and sage to your saucepan. Bring all of this to a boil. Then you stir in your chicken, your spinach, and your milk. Cook and stir for 2 minutes or until it is all heated through. This makes 6 servings. Again, I know it is difficult to listen and take notes, but don't worry. Just send an email to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com or to donnajodhan@gmail.com and put in the subject line easy chicken, spinach, and wild rice soup. And I'll be happy to send you this wonderful little recipe. Very easy to make. Okay? All right. Let's look at the bonus recipe for this week. Okay? All right. Here is the bonus recipe for this week. Cauliflower broccoli salad. 2 stalks of broccoli. 1/4 cup of sliced green onions. 6 ounces of cheddar cheese. And you need to cube this, okay? 6 ounces of mozzarella cheese, cubed as well. 2 cups of mayonnaise. 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1 pound of cooked bacon, and crumble it. You need to crumble it. So cook it and crumble it. Now, what you do, you need to do the following. Cut up your cauliflower and broccoli into small pieces. Add it to diced cheeses and onion. So cut it up into very, very small pieces, your cauliflower and broccoli. Okay? Add your mayonnaise, your sugar, your salt, and your vinegar. So everything goes into this. But you got to follow the order in which I'm telling you, okay? So first you cut up your broccoli and your cauliflower very small, okay? Then add your diced cheeses and onion. and then add the rest of the ingredients all together and stir this into vegetables, okay? Vegetables of your choice or vegetables that I have outlined, okay? And then add your bacon. This can be kept for a day or two in the refrigerator, okay? Sounds good? Sounds zesty? Sounds yummy? I'm going to try this out. This was shared with me by a good friend of mine, and she is begging me to make this salad for September. So I was going to go and try it out now. All right, let's go to the tips. All right. Here come my tips for this week. All right. Okay. Let's go to the tips for this week. Okay. And we are going to give you a tip to remove heel marks. Use an ordinary pencil eraser if you have heel marks on your floor. Okay? And another tip for you, getting rid of grease spills. Apply ice cubes immediately. Then clean with soap suds after the grease has been gotten rid of, okay? After the ice cubes have done their work, clean with soap suds. All right, this is it for me for this week. Dining with Donna, second week, 2024. Please keep your emails coming to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com or donnajodhan@gmail.com. Put in the subject line what you are looking for, and I will be more than pleased to send you whatever you need. If it's the main recipe, the bonus recipe, or my tips. Okay? That's it for me for this week, folks. I will see you again next week. Have a great rest of the day, a great rest of the week, a great rest of the month. Stay safe, take care, and bye for now.
That's it for this week. Donna hopes that you enjoyed her recipes and that you will take a few minutes to try them out. Stay safe and stay well. Send your thoughts and feedback to Donna at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com.